Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be leveraging ChatGPT to find jobs. We're only going to focus on resume and cover letter optimization in this video, as those are two aspects with the biggest leverage when it comes to actually getting your foot through the door. As a disclaimer, there are multiple other aspects of job hunting, from finding roles that suit your resume, the job application process itself, and prepping for interviews. But we'll cover those in future videos. For now, let's dive straight into it. Resume optimization. Here we have ChatGPT open, our resume, and a role I chose as an example just to illustrate. Obviously, what we're about to do is scalable across all kinds of roles and industries. For now, let's focus on this digital marketing role. Before we start feeding ChatGPT any specifics, let's start by prompting it to get ready for the task. Let's come back over to ChatGPT, and I prepared this prompt right here. Basically, it says, you are an expert resume writer with over 20 years of experience working with job seekers to help them find roles in the digital marketing space. You'll want to customize that based off your job title and the job that you're hunting for. I want you to analyze the job description I'm about to paste here and highlight the 4 most important responsibilities of this role and the 4 most important skill sets that a candidate should have. Now, make sure to use ChatGPT 4 as it has way better responses and is going to help you do an even better job with your resume and cover letter creation. So I'm going to go ahead and submit our prompt and come over to the Senior Digital Marketing Manager role. I'm going to copy all of the job role, and it's a fully remote position that pays $128,000 to $142,000 for someone in US, and it's a pretty solid 6-figure role. In 2024, you probably want this role, and there's probably a lot of competition for it. So we want to make sure our resume and our cover letters stand out really well. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the job description into ChatGPT so that it can go ahead, analyze it, and learn more about the role. I've also created this John Doe resume using ChatGPT. Let's fix him up with a 6-figure role. We've got his resume right here. And once ChatGPT is done reading the information, we're going to paste the John Doe resume in and ask ChatGPT to customize our resume to fit this role based on the skill sets and the responsibilities that this role needs. And we're almost done here. We can see that we got pretty good information here. The PLG excellence is something that really stands out in the sense that it's right here. So it's very good that ChatGPT is definitely catching the right information here for this type of role. And it's very specific. Now I need you to customize my resume to fit this role. Do not lie, comma, just customize my resume based on the information I've provided and how I can provide the most value to this specific job. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and copied over this new tailored resume to my John Doe resume Google Doc. Now we can see we have version 1 up here, which is the original one I gave it, and version 2, which is the one from ChatGPT. So from this point, you just want to clean up the resume, make sure that it didn't put out any untruthful claims, and that it fits better to how you want to present yourself. So if you did things correctly, you'll see that the verbiage actually changes through these resumes. And so in version 1 at ABC Corporation, John Doe developed and implemented digital marketing strategies, which led to a 30% increase in online engagement. In version 2, we have the same information with a highlight on data-driven digital marketing strategies. Now, this is very important for this type of role that says one of the key areas they want you to impact is the data-driven demand generation. So they're very big on data, and ChatGPT has definitely caught that and just made a small tweak there. So go ahead, review your resume, and up next, we're going to cover cover letters. So they're very important in today's economy, especially with how many applicants apply to each position, from hundreds to sometimes even thousands. So you definitely want to stand out against the crowd, and using ChatGPT and the information you've just seen, you're going to be able to customize your resume and your cover letter for each position that you apply to. So let's make a new cover letter really quick with ChatGPT. Very good. Based on my resume and your output, I want you to put together the opening paragraph of a cover letter applying for this role. This needs to have a compelling hook written in a conversational tone that showcases my qualifications and previous experiences, framed in a way that shows how I can successfully take on the challenges associated with that role. Let's see what ChatGPT 4 gives us. Okay, so we've got a cover letter now, and it says, "Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the senior digital marketing manager position at Checkly as advertised. With over 5 years of experience in the digital marketing landscape, I've honed a deep understanding of data-driven strategies and cross-channel marketing. At ABC Corporation, I led a team in developing innovative marketing strategies, achieving a 30% increase in online engagement, a testament to my ability to drive growth and engagement in tech-centric environments. My experience in aligning market efforts with business objectives, particularly in a field as dynamic as digital marketing, aligns seamlessly with the challenges and opportunities at Checkly. I'm excited about the prospect of bringing my expertise in SEO, SEM, and social media management to a pioneering company like Checkly." Now, of course, you're going to want to customize this based off of your personal criteria and anything that you want to change. Personally, I think this looks pretty good for John Doe. It sounds very professional, and this looks very submittable for a cover letter. Now, for some final closing notes, again, if you have any type of criteria or templates that you use to customize your resume or any cover letters currently, then I would definitely recommend copy and pasting those into ChatGPT and letting it know that this is the template and format that you like. It's always a good idea to give ChatGPT some more context on what it is you're trying to achieve, any information you may already have. And overall, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of people applying to the same jobs every single day in our 2024 economy, and none of them are watching our videos. None of them are learning how to customize their resumes and cover letters quite like you are. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you think it helped you out. Make sure to customize your resumes and your cover letters to every position that you apply to, and use ChatGPT to make it super easy, and I hope you land a job soon. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.